Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode on the 650i and the N63 N63 platform. In today's episode we're going to be talking about a little issue that I had with the car. I got a code on both DMEs, code 128008. It was intermittent, and it basically said oxygen sensors upstream. Installation was mixed up. Now, it's basically impossible to mix up the installation of the oxygen sensors. It goes in a certain way, in a certain orientation. It's pretty obvious to put it in. So I looked at that and I said, there's no way that's the fault, and most likely there is a fault in the O2 sensors. Seeing as the trouble code was for the upstream sensors, I really thought nothing of it, and I just said, probably the upstream O2 sensors have gone bad. It's a common issue on these engines. So I went ahead, ordered the parts, and installed them, and to my surprise, it didn't really help too much. So I ended up getting those codes back shortly after I changed those sensors, and in short, I did some searching. I looked at the numbers, the readings from the sensors from pre and post cat, and I noticed that on one of the banks, the post cat sensor was operating slightly strangely. It was like turning on, turning off, being very slow to respond, and the numbers weren't really matching up with the pre cat sensor. Whereas on the other bank, it was pretty consistent between the two. There was a lot faster response time, and it just seemed like everything was working a little bit better on that bank. So that was sort of a hint that the post catalytic converter sensors, one of them was faulty, and that was giving us that intermittent fault code. I'm just going to show you how to change the sensors. It's very straightforward on this engine. It's right on top. It's one of the easiest jobs you can do on this platform. So without further ado, watch the video. Let me know if you guys got any questions or comments, and we'll catch you in the next video. This should actually be right under here, so I'm going to do that right now off camera. So far the engine runs a lot nicer. No strange misses at just regular idle speed, which is much better than it was before. Before it was kind of like sputtery almost. And we had a code. There was no check engine light, but there was definitely some DME codes, so we're gonna check if those come back. Fingers crossed not, but yeah, I can definitely hear the difference already in the engine, so that's nice.
I think it'll be happening mostly when you're like slowing down.
Okay, so that's it. You're off the gas.
7.37 on. Off.
Yes.
7.97. 7.46. Off. It's pretty much staying at 1, around 1.
The whole time.
Just around. It's been 0.99 a lot. 0.96. 1, I've seen 0.1. Sorry, 1.2. 2.69, 6.84, 7.63, 1.8, 1.